Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to display WooCommerce products on custom pages. This is incredibly useful if you want to showcase your products on landing pages, promotional pages, or any custom layout you've created, giving you complete control over how your store appears to visitors. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WordPress site where WooCommerce is installed. This step ensures you have access to all the customization tools you'll need. Now that you're logged in, we need to access your site's design settings. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Appearance. This will expand a set of options that control how your website looks and functions from the expanded menu that appears. Click on Editor. The editor is where you'll build and modify your pages, allowing you to add custom elements like product displays directly into your page layouts. From the Page Designer menu, click on Pages on your left navigation menu. This will show you all the pages you've created on your site. Browse through and select the custom page where you want to display your WooCommerce products. Once you've located your custom page, click on the Edit button to open it in the page editor. Now look at the top left part of your screen and locate the plus button. This is your Add Blocks menu, and clicking it will expand a whole library of elements you can add to your page. You'll be presented with several blocks and elements designed to help you customize your page. From here, locate the search bar and type in shortcode. Once you see the shortcode block appear, simply drag it onto your page editor where you want your products to display. Now I'll be flashing a shortcode on screen for you to type in. You can pause the video so you can copy the code precisely. This shortcode is what tells WordPress to pull in and display your WooCommerce products on this custom page. Once you've pasted the shortcode into the block, click on the Save button on the top right part of your screen to retain all the changes you've made. And that's it. Your WooCommerce products will now appear on your custom page exactly where you placed that shortcode block. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.